Welcome back to Innovin Foods. Today we are making a soft and fruity delight, apple jam cake, a perfect tea time treat filled with natural sweetness and homemade goodness. Let's start the recipe. Take 2 apples, peel the skin and cut them into small pieces. Now add to a fry pan. Add 1 tablespoon sugar. Cook in low heat. Add 1 teaspoon water. Keep stirring. Cook on low heat until the sugar melts. Then let it cool completely. Now beat 2 eggs for 1 minute. Eggs add protein, making this dessert slightly more nourishing. Use room temperature eggs for better volume. Gradually add half cup sugar and beat until sugar dissolves. Add 1/4 cup of oil and 1 teaspoon vanilla essence and mix well. Now sieve together 1 cup flour, 1 teaspoon baking powder and 1/4 teaspoon baking soda. Now mix well. Don't overmix after adding flour, this keeps the cake light. Add 1/4 cup milk. Mix until well combined. Grease a 6-inch mold with oil. Line with baking paper. And pour the batter. Spread some fruit jam. Apples are rich in dietary fiber, good for digestion. Homemade jam cakes avoid preservatives found in store-bought version. And the cooked apple pieces on top. Always let the cooked apple mixture cool before adding to the cake to avoid curdling. Baking at home gives you control over sugar and oil quantity. Preheat a pan with a wire stand for 5 to 7 minutes on medium-low heat. Then place the mold inside and bake for 30 to 35 minutes. If you don't have a pan, you can also bake this in an oven at 160 degrees Celsius for 30 minutes. Did you know apples are one of the oldest fruits cultivated by humans? Baking with fruit adds natural moisture to cakes, making them extra soft. Apples symbolize health and love in many countries. Cakes like this are often enjoyed in Europe with tea or coffee in the afternoon. And that's our delicious apple jam cake, soft, fruity and full of homemade flavor. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Innovin Foods. Tell us in the comments what's your favorite fruit to use in cakes. See you in the next recipe.